Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from India, and in this video we're going to compare the mouse hover test with plugins, that which one is faster and efficient to use in your patch programs. So let me show you all three plugins. That they are CMD with get input and input. I have changed these files a bit to make it possible for testing out which plugin is much faster. As you can see that instead of moving the dot with the mouse, it is going to print like paint and it is printing things on the console. So we will check out for a standard speed how much dots they can put on the console. So I have created this file automate mouse. So we are going to automate our mouse input for a particular speed for checking out which plugin is fast enough. So let me start these plugins and set them in proper position. I'm going to start automate script. Need to put the mouse here and leave the mouse, and as you can see mouse is automatically moving. And now if I want to check that how many dots are there, then you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 dots. So this test cmd.exe printed 18 dots for the speed of the mouse. Let's check the same thing with input.exe, and as you can see input.exe can also detect the mouse and keyboard. So I need to click on here and press space, then I have to go back to the standard position. Let's see how many dots it can print. And now we have to count again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, and as you can see it has also printed 18 dots on the console window for the same mouse speed. Although this test is not applicable on get input because it is a special kind of patch plugin and it is the most efficient of all three, I must say. You should use this plugin, but the usage is quite complex and you have to design each position of the console according to the plugin. So most of the cases you will use these two plugins instead of CMD and get input. So but get input has its own advantages over these two plugins. So I have created a table here for the saving the time. So these are the parameters on which we are going to compare these plugins, and these are the name of the plugins. So input.exe, the size of input.exe is 1.26 MBs, while on the other hand CMD is of only 74.3 I think of KBs. Let me cross check once. 74.3 KBs, and on the other hand CM get input is winning with 3.5 KBs of file size, while CPU usage for input.exe was 80% as we have seen in the last video, and for the CMD viz it was around 80% also. So let me write the right figure, 79%, the maximum CPU usage we are writing. So get input only got to 35%. The 35% is due to the fact that my screen recorder software is also using CPU, so that's why it is 35%. And the RAM of the three plugins I have recorded is 120 KBs each for all of the three plugins. And the usage for easily usage, the input.exe has the right criteria because input.exe is following the standards for batch program, while CMD it's difficult to use CMD with and get input in your batch programs because of their complex nature of the output. You need to understand their nature first and then you can use them in your program. So I'm going to give them no for the easy usage. On the other hand, speed of the input.exe is same as that of the CMD plugin. As we have noted, both have printed 18 dots in the same with the same speed of mouse, while get input is the most efficient of all three. So I will write here fastest plugin for the mouse hovering, while on the other hand input.exe can only take two types of arguments, either to use mouse hover or not. On the other hand, CMD Viz is 39 in one plugin. You can use 39 outputs or 39 type of work with the CMD Viz instead of mouse hovering effect also. So while on the other hand, get input can only do one thing, that is getting the mouse input or mouse and keyboard input at the same time. Practically useful, input.exe is yes practically useful, and CMD Viz is also. On the other hand, these three are practically useful, not control Y, it's shift Y. So if I have to count the votes, which plugin has the maximum points, so here you can see that get input has minimum file size, so it will get 1 point. And let me write here 1. Okay, we will add them at the end. And for the least CPU usage, it has got another point, so 2 points. The RAM usage for all the plugins is same, so no point to anyone. And here input.exe has 1 point, so let me write here 1, 0 still, and 2 points. While on the other hand, the speed of the plugins are same and fastest, so it will get another point. The number of arguments can also be a parameter to select the plugin, because 39 in 1 is a good number, because this plugin can replace 39 plugins and you can use it in your batch program if you want to get all 39 done. So let's check the practically useful last parameter, as all have got the YYY, so this point cancel out to be 0, and the result we have got that input.exe has got 1 point, CMD Viz has 1 point, but get input has 3 points. So get input is the most efficient and simple, not simple, but it is the most efficient plugin to use, but input.exe is most simple plugin to use, and CMD Viz has its own benefits and limitations. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to add any point or try to contradict my points, please comment in the comment field below. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.